Hi, I'm Kemery from Kemery Amazing, and I'm going to be showing you how to draw my dog, Niko. So first you'll need a piece of paper and a pencil, and then let's start drawing. So first you're going to do like a little head with its little ears. Take it as long as you want. I might be going fast, so his little ears like that. Okay, so gonna go under. All right, good. So I'm gonna draw his little nose and his little mouth. Little nose. Okay, so. Might be off to the side. That's all right. So yeah, that's my funny face. I like to make hot. It's hot. So yeah, I like to do that. Put some little eyes. His eyes are brown. So yeah. Kind of like that. Wants to look like that. Or however you want the face to look like. So, yeah. And then the little collar, like that. Okay. All right. Then we're gonna start with the body. It should look like a little body. Like that. All right. Yeah. And then you want two little paws. Kind of two little paws in the front. Two little paws in the back. He's a miniature golden retriever, so yeah. If you want to make your little Niko dog cute, you have two hairstyles going up like a little fuzzball, or my way is, yeah, my way. With the little hair. I know. You'll look more like a boy. One sec. Okay, so this is how he would look like. And then his long, fuzzy tail. So he would look like that. And then, yeah, I'm going to color him in, and let's see when you're done.